Hello, so I'm going to show you just very quickly this joystick which I made. This is a microcontroller which is connected to the joystick. And the microcontroller connects to the PC via Wi-Fi, and it acts as Xbox controller. This is the joystick, which I connect to this. And this connects to this. So I'm going to put it on real quickly. So this, yeah, it's not very sophisticated, but it works. So I turn it on. Then I run the program on the PC, and this program is a little program that I made, and it just works. As you can see in there, I can move using the joystick, and I can turn around and move. And then ALVR supports fucking hand tracking, right? So I'm using hand tracker right now, and I can pull the menu and doing the with a little pattern that I program into the microcontroller. I can pull the menu, and I can just click on things. And for moving around on the menus, it works okay. It's the hand tracking is not the best, but it works. So this is how it works essentially. I'm using now I'm not using any controller, nothing.